this is box 10 of the case, last one, so hopefully we get another good lot out of here. We have got Ben, how do you say his name? Benno, don't know his...
I don't know that people play.
Yeah, 34.99. We have got 28 of 75, Maurice Spites. We have got Sam Jones, Celtics, it's 20 of 50. We have got Premier Stitching, Robert Parrish, Celtics. I think we haven't got him.
We've got something else earlier.
Magic Johnson, Lakers. Again, 49 of 99. We have got a UDA Premier veteran, Alonzo Mourning, and Emir Stoudemire. That is 4 of 50. And we have got Al Paul, Atlanta Hawks, 3 of 50. Alright, thanks for that. That's 10 boxes case. Thanks for watching.